Welcome to this tutorial on Resourceinn's payroll module. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of creating and applying a custom pay item, a powerful feature that offers businesses the flexibility to address unique payroll requirements. Custom pay items are essential for handling specific scenarios, such as manual deductions or additional entries that don't fit into standard payroll categories. This feature ensures seamless and efficient payroll adjustments tailored to individual needs. With custom pay items, businesses can manage adjustments like penalties or temporary allowances without disrupting the standard payroll structure. You also have control over whether an item is recurring or a one-time entry. For end users, custom pay items simplify repetitive entries and make them error-free, keeping payroll systems adaptable to diverse operational needs. In this tutorial, we'll create a custom pay item and apply it to the payroll. So let's get started and see how this feature can elevate your payroll process. First, navigate to the Payroll module. From the dashboard, go to Payroll, and here in Settings, click Pay Component. Here you'll find 3 tabs: Pay Items, Formulas, and Rules. Go to the Pay Items tab for managing custom pay item components. In the Pay Items tab, click the Create button to start defining a new item. A form will appear where we'll configure the following parameters. Name. Enter the name for your custom pay item. For this example, we'll create an earning called Internet Allowance. Label. The label defines the type of value associated with the pay item. In this case, we'll write amount because the internet allowance is a monetary value. The label helps the system understand what kind of data it will be working with and ensures that the correct values are used in calculations. Other examples of labels could be hours if the pay item is based on time worked, or days if it's related to leave or attendance. This ensures clarity in the system as it indicates whether the value entered will be a specific number of hours, an amount, or a set number of days, etc. Tax distribution. Specify how the tax will be applied. We are selecting Divide in remaining months to ensure the earnings tax is processed in the remaining months of fiscal year equally. Pay item type. Since Internet Allowance is an earning, select Earnings from the list. You can also select relevant to your specific scenarios. Calculation type. Select Manual Entry for this field. Manual entry indicates that the pay item is custom and requires user-defined input, whereas fixed represents predefined values. When selecting manual entry, a checkbox labeled monthly will appear. When the checkbox is not selected, the value repeats automatically every payroll cycle until the fiscal year ends. However, when the checkbox is selected, the amount applies only to the current payroll month. Here we are marking the monthly checkbox checked. After entering all details, click Save. The new pay item is now part of the system. Once the Internet Allowance pay item has been created, apply it to payroll. To do this, navigate to Custom Pay Items in the Payroll module. Select the newly created pay item, Internet Allowance, and click Create. A pop-up form will appear for detailed input. Employee. Select the employee for this earnings. In this example, we'll choose Rose Taylor. Date. Specify the effective date. Let's select the current date for this payroll cycle. Adjust it according to your requirements. If we have Leave Monthly checkbox unmarked in the pay item creation, date will be just for reference for the month till the ending of this fiscal year. Amount. Enter the earnings amount. For example, input $3,000 to apply an Internet Allowance. Description. Optional. Provide additional context or notes for the earnings, such as employee doing work from home. This step is optional but useful for tracking purposes. The Already Paid option controls whether the earnings affect payroll totals. When set to yes, the earnings are recorded for the record. When set to no, the earnings appear in the payroll calculations. In the case of an employee who has already paid a fine, we will set it to yes, so it's recorded but doesn't impact the payroll totals. So here, we set it to no. After completing the form, click Save. The custom pay item is now active and applied to the selected employee. You can also apply custom pay items in bulk To do this, download the template, make necessary adjustments to include the custom pay items, and then import the file back into the system. And this will further process in the payroll. This feature simplifies handling multiple employees at once, and we've successfully added a custom pay item in Resourceinn's payroll module. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.